Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM. So today we are going to review the all new Morris Garage's Hector Plus, which is the successor of Hector. So the color you are seeing is the white color which we are going to be review in this video. So as you can see, this is the front look of the Hector Plus. This looks some things different from the Hector. As you can see, the redesigned headlamps are also put in this car. You get a DRL and a nice futuristic look in these headlamps. These are different from the Hector which are provided in Hector. And if we talk about the main headlamp of this car, you get HID. And this is the front grille of the car. As you can see, the same grille which Hector gets. And if we talk about the parking sensor, you get the front parking sensors also and silver skid plate at the front. This is the huge look of the Hector Plus, and it's a 6-seater car. The Hector Plus is a 6-seater car, and this is the side look. And if we talk about the side mirrors, you get the indicator on the side mirror, and as well as the camera is also 360 camera is also there at the mirror. And this is the chrome inserts on the window, and this is the wheel, and this is a machine gun finish alloy wheel which is known as diamond cut alloy wheel also. And this is the rear trunk of the car, or you can say the boot, and it is an electronic boot. But the new thing in the Hector Plus, you get a system which is highlighted by MG, that if you will, there is a sensor down below. If you will put your leg down and just give it a sense, open the boot, it will just open the boot like this. As you can see, I have put my leg under the sensor and it sends my leg, then it open the boot. And the speed of the boot opening is also so fast. And this is the boot space you get when the third row seats are not folded, that are opened. As you can see, this is a much enough boot space which you want. And you also get the exhaust tips, as you can see, and a skid plate of silver color. Rear parking sensors, reflectors also provided at the back, as you can see. And if we would look at the left side of the car, as you can see, you get the chrome inserts also. B pillar is blacked out. And if we talk about again about the front and the side look, as you can see, looks also very great. This is the Hector which you are seeing, Hector Plus, sorry. It looks much similar as the Hector but have some changes by Morris Garages. These are the tail lights of the car, as you can see, which looks much futuristic as the headlamps of this car. This is the split sunroof, and you get a stop lamp and shark fin antenna at the top. Morris Garage's badging, which is MG, and you can now also get the chrome line under the Morris Garage's badging, as you can see here. And a reverse parking camera is also available, as you can see. This is the blackout on the C pillar, as you can see, like the old Hector, same in Hector Plus. Designed in UK, made in India, is written on the board by MG, as you can see there. Designed by UK and made in India. This is the exterior looks, as you can see, and this is the 360 camera on both left and right side outside rear view mirror you get, which is also known as ORVM. And this is the front grille, as you can see, and the front parking camera placement is also there, as you can see, front camera you can say. And if we will go inside the car, you can see it looks much similar to the Hector. It is similar to Hector, you can say. And this is the key of the car, as you can see, you get the MG logo. Tailgate opening button and lock and unlock button is also provided on the key. This is all about the key of the MG Hector Plus. And this is the 10 bigger screen. I don't know the size, so I will not tell you the right size. And when you open the car, this screen takes little time to open. As you can see, first it will show Morris Garages and then welcome screen will come. Then you get many options or many apps to do anything what you want. If you want to play music, you get Gaana, and the dialer is also available. So this is the screen of the Hector Plus, similar as the Hector, but you get more connected features in this than the Hector. And as you can see, this is all about the screen, and the steering wheel has the cruise control and the voice command and connectivity features are also available. And these are the AC vents of the car, as you can see. And this is the gear knob. It's an automatic variant which you are seeing. It also gets the electric parking brake. And if we talk about the power window controls, you get lock and unlock and all 4 power window controls, and 4-way electrically adjustable seat for the driver and co-driver both. And if we talk about the car interiors, which are like similar to the Hector in the Hector Plus also. So this is the steering wheel, as you can see. And if we talk about the interior spaces, as you can see, you get a very good space, and the infotainment screen looks very good. It looks similar like Tesla, which Tesla provides. And if we talk about the AC controls, you get an automatic climate control here, which is provided by MG. See, this is the automatic climate control, as you can see there. And if we talk about again the boot, see how I put my leg down and see how the boot is opened. And the speed of the boot opening is very fast and very quick. So this is the boot of the this is the main function highlighted by MG for its Hector Plus. And these are the captain seats provided at the second row, that the who will sit in the second row feel much comfortable, because now MG has provided captain seat on the second row, and you get a big panoramic sunroof, which I have told you earlier, and you get the grab handle, as you can see. This is the seat upholstery in the leather. The seat upholstery you get is in leather. And this is the boot space, and you get the cup holder at the third row seats also. And if we talk about you get the hood opener and the fuel opener here around the steering wheel. See, now I would like to tell you about the engine of this car. As you can see, the engine is similar as the Hector. In the Hector Plus also is the same engine. This is the same thing. AMG turbo badging is also provided as usual, and this car now gets 6 seat. There is no 7-seater option in the AMG Hector. Let me tell you that you think there will be a 7-seater option also. There is only 6-seater in AMG Hector Plus. There is no 7-seater option. And if we talk about the safety features, you get all the safety features like ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and many more, which you can see on any website, or you can Google it. So this is all about the all new AMG Hector. If you like my video, share it with your friend, and don't forget to hit the like button. See you in the next video, guys.